In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace login email. Squarespace makes managing your website straightforward, but sometimes you might need to update your account details. Changing your login email is one such task, and I'll guide you through the exact steps to do this efficiently. First, let's launch our web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. You'll want to be on the main Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, locate the Login section to access your personal account. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and log in with your current credentials. This should immediately bring you to your main Squarespace dashboard, displaying all your sites and account information. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard. You'll see an icon that represents your profile. It might be your initials or a profile picture. Click on that, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Account Dashboard. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Squarespace account. Upon entering the Account Dashboard, the next step is to click on Account Settings. This is where all your essential account information, including your email settings, is stored. Again, this option is easy to find on your dashboard. Just look for the settings icon or the direct link that says Account Settings. In Account Settings, you'll see a variety of options. You'll need to select Account and Security from the list. This section holds all the security features related to your account, including changing personal information and enhancing security measures. Now, within the Account and Security section, look for the option that allows you to change your email address. It should be labeled clearly, probably as Change Email Address or something similar. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure you type it in carefully to avoid any errors, as this will be critical for future logins and any account-related notifications. Once you've entered your new email, Squarespace will likely send a verification email to that new address. It's a necessary step to ensure that everything is in order and that you're fully in control of the changes being made. Head over to your email inbox, find the verification email, and click on the link provided to confirm the change. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your login email for your Squarespace account. Remember to update any autofill settings in your browser and notify any relevant parties of the change if necessary. Keep watching for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you have further questions. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site managing!